So right here I have MacBook Pro. You can see touchpad went out, bend it over. Model is A1278. When I took the back cover, we see a problem here, right here. Whole battery popped. Laptop power on, but it's not charging battery. Let's go ahead and replace the whole battery. So I got battery replacement right here. Okay, brand new one. And also I find why my screen is flickering. It was like basically in test mode colors, red, green and all other ones. And this cable got a little twisted, so I take out this part. And now I can see Apple logo clearly. Let's install it back and see. If not, I will try to apply some super glue or get a new replacement for it, but I hope we can fix it. Let's put screws right here, tool them back for the battery, and check it out. Computer is booting. You can see her battery is puffy. Touchpad now went in and it's clicking, so it will work.